Process assembly and create job workflow demonstrates how a CAD model assembly is systematically processed to generate a comprehensive manufacturing bill of materials and initiate a production job. This scenario involves extracting all relevant components and subassemblies from the CAD model, mapping them to corresponding manufacturing items, and organizing them into a structured manufacturing bill of materials. Once the manufacturing bill of materials is validated, the workflow proceeds to create a production job, ensuring all necessary resources and instructions are prepared for efficient manufacturing execution. This step illustrates an automated production work queue to process daily order production that includes an optional download of real-time orders from ERP. This step illustrates the automated CAD part analysis capabilities to provide CAD part parameters for automated routing generation, manufacturability testing, quoting and CAM program generation. This step illustrates the automated routing generation capabilities to generate optimal routing steps based on CAD part parameters. This step illustrates the automated manufacturability testing capabilities to identify potential sheet metal fabrication errors before parts leave engineering. This step illustrates the facilitation of automated CAM bend program generation by incorporating extended data into DXF flat files. This step illustrates the automated generation of a production job from a SolidWorks CAD model assembly, which includes the automated generation of a complete manufacturing bill of materials.